Hi, my name is Felix Cafier and you're watching the ShiVa Minute. This video is about lights and throwing shadows and stuff. Dynamic lights in ShiVa are models as well, so you have to search your models folder until you find the default directional light, default dynamic light set and default point light. I'm going to use the default dynamic light set in this example. Just dragged it in. I can't see it well, so I'll just move it up a little bit so you can see it better. Now I'm gonna rotate this little light. Whoa, as you can see, it's already throwing a shadow depending on the angle of the light. Now you might notice that the model's actually a group. I have two lights held together by one group node, this green little thing. And if we want to access the attributes of one individual light, you'll have to switch from group selection mode to single selection mode. In the Scene Explorer, this module here, you can see this a little bit better. So here's the group, and these are the two children, unknown, child 0, child 1. Both have the light attribute. So I've already switched to single selection mode. Click the one, click the other. You can see this light projects a shadow here. If you switch it off, no shadows projected, and the other one does not. However, both lights are active, used for real-time lighting and not for pre-computed lighting, which is light maps. Both are mutually exclusive, so if you have the one, you cannot have the other. Both lights have a color value which you can adjust to your liking. This one looks a bit more intense. Yeah, just change it to purple. Lights also require a per material setting. So let's have a look at the ground, for example. I've selected the ground, hit M to gather material, pick it, and that's the material for the ground. You can see it's set to receive dynamic shadows. If I switch it off, boom, shadows are gone. If I switch it back on, shadows will come back. Now this ground floor has also a light map, so it receives static lighting, but it does not receive any of the dynamic lighting we are putting in the scene. So if you want that, you have to check receive dynamic lighting as well. I have the option between per vertex and per pixel lighting. Per pixel lighting is required for things like normal mapping and all the advanced effects. So if you have put a light in the scene which should throw a shadow but you can't see it, check your materials.